let's get right into the Intense 5. Some drama always seems to follow Poppy. So from microphone issues at Burna Boy to him being accused of being a stalker by an ex. But you know Poppy, him just no business. So you mean to tell me, say, them really steal the solar lights from the Negril sign? No sir, the thief them go hard. Riri and ASAP at the Golden Globes. Ooh, mommy come right out. Got you, Riri. Coffee and Sam Smith, huge collaboration. And him not stop post about it, okay? Big up yourself, Coffee. And finally holding the #1 spot this week. So them really rob Bolt of at least $60 million, like missing from one of his investment accounts. Not good at all. I just hope them get it sorted. That's it for the Intense 5. Follow us on IG for everything you need in entertainment. Up next, Hot Brass tells us what he has planned for 2023. Intense forward.